Hey everyone! Want to know how to update Google Play Services or fix the app won't run unless you update Google Play Services error? Well, no worries. Here's how you can solve this problem without a hassle. Solution 1. Update Google Play Services via the Play Store. Open Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon, top right. Now, go to Manage Apps and Devices. Tap on Updates Available. Look for Google Play Services in the list and tap Update if available. Solution 2. Update Google Play Services via Settings. Open your phone settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Scroll down and tap on App Details in Store. This will take you directly to the Google Play Services page in the Play Store. Tap on Update if available. Solution 3. Clear cache and data for Google Play Services. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. First tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage, and then Clear All Data. And that's it. One of these steps should solve the problem with the app won't run unless you update Google Play Services error. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.